Hi, this is Lim from Kathy Quilts University, and I would need to explain a little bit about signing up for one of our subscriptions. We need you to go in and register first before you put the subscription in the shopping cart and check out. That way we already have your profile, and then we can associate the subscription with your profile, and that's the same profile that you'll log in when you want to view the videos or you purchase anything from us. So I'll show you quickly how that's done. When you get to kathyquilts.com, if you look in the upper right hand corner, you'll see a thing that says sign in. So if you haven't already registered, then it'll have you sign in, or if you already have, then it may show that you're already logged in. So if you haven't created a profile yet, click on that, and then it would have you either, if your email address is already there, then that means that you've signed up. But if you haven't, down just below that, you'll see there's a place to create a new account. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.